Hey everyone, it's Ben Hardy here, and sorry it's still a little bit windy today, but we're going to be looking at the all-new 2018 Chevy Tahoe. The Chevy Tahoe is the bigger truck-sized SUV that they have, and they do have the Suburban platform as well with this. It's kind of like a longer extended wheelbase, but let's just get right into the video. If we look under the hood here, we have Chevy's all-new 6.2 liter V8 in the Tahoe, and you can get that in the Suburban as well. In this output, it puts out 460 pound-feet of torque and 420 horsepower. So it's quite a bit more torque and horsepower compared to the standard 5.3 liter V8 that you could have only gotten in years past with this. First, with a big V8, fuel economy is not going to be great. It is 17 combined, 14 around town and 22 on the highway, which, I mean, all things considered, this being as big of an SUV as it is actually pretty good. And it actually is because of that new 10-speed automatic transmission that they put in the Tahoes as well as the Suburbans. Looking at the Premier package today, which comes with these really nice rims that kind of have this gloss black with that kind of like gloss, like chrome kind of looking finish on them, and I think they just look absolutely amazing. So come around to the back, you actually do get power open function with the windows. You press that twice and then it unlocks the window for you, or you can do power function with the whole tailgate. It'll open all that for you. And you'll notice that trunk space on this isn't huge or anything like that. You get a little bit extra storage under there, but you know, there's not all that much trunk space. So if you do need more space in the back, then I'd recommend going for the Suburban. It's going to give quite a bit more space. And if you saw, you press this button here, it'll fold down those seats, and then you can press these buttons on the side here to adjust the back two seats and everything. But yeah, so like I said, if you need a little bit more space, then just go for the Suburban. It does have the singular exhaust out the back, which to start it up, you just have to hold the remote start button, and it'll start up that nice 6.2 liter V8. On back, they still got that keyless entry on the back of the door handle for the front and the back. We can come back here, flip this seat back up. You do get heated seats in the rear. You do get the climate controls back here, captain chairs, and then you do get the 3 seats in the rear, so you can fit 7 passengers in this vehicle. But I mean, there's tons of space in here and everything, and so you could very comfortably fit, you know, 6-7 passengers in this all day. In the front, you're gonna get those seat controls right there. You can get all your window controls, mirror controls, and everything. Your memory seat function. You do get these nice side steps so that it makes stepping in and out of the vehicle a lot easier. But we just can step right in, and super easy. Shut the door right here. It does come with the Bose premium sound system. You got your different shifter for, you know, the 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel high and 4-wheel low, because this is off of a truck chassis. Trailer brakes, light controls and everything. Your pedal adjustments, your lane keep assist and everything, electronic stability control, parking sensors. You're gonna get your forward collision warnings, heated steering wheel, cruise control and everything, and then all your controls for the center screen here. Heated and ventilated seats up front. All of your analog controls for the radio and the climate as well. Start up the Tahoe, all you gotta do is put your foot on the brake, push the push start button, and it'll start right up. And if you notice, the windshield wipers move because it does have the rain sensitive windshield wipers on. Gauges do a nice sweep right there. If we go to the center screen here, we can see that it's just like all the other Chevys that gives you all the information that you could ever want on the vehicle. And then you got all your gauges, your speedometer there, your tachometer over there, the shifter for the gears and everything. And you do get this nice center console here. And it does come with a sunroof as well, with all the controls for that there, and then this gigantic glove box. But if we put it over into reverse, so let's flip it into reverse, you do get that nice big backup camera with the trajectory lines and everything, so that it makes parking this big SUV a lot easier. And to finish, it does have that same center screen that all the other Chevys will have, with, you know, all the features on it and everything, like the navigation and all that kind of stuff. Super easy to use, super responsive and everything. Like I said, it's a really good unit to use. And then the dual zone climate controls and everything that are really neat. And you actually, when you change the temperature, it shows up in the middle rather than, you know, in a little screen or anything, which is really nice. Starting off here in the all-new 2018 Chevy Tahoe, and first things first, it definitely is a lot bigger of an SUV, so this feels more like you're driving a truck rather than a car, compared to the other SUVs we drove, the Traverse and the Equinox. But it doesn't feel massive or anything like that. It's super easy to control and everything, and it definitely drives smaller than this vehicle it actually is, which is really nice. The reason that I picked this specific one is it does have the new engine option. So for 2018, they finally put Chevy's 6.2 liter V8 in this vehicle, and so then it does give it quite a bit more power, and it does give it more towing capacity and everything, which is super sweet. Obviously, fuel economy is going to suffer a little bit having a bigger engine. However, since this does have that new 10-speed automatic transmission that just shifts off those gears super crisp, super smooth, then it makes it so that you get much better fuel economy. Kind of on the interior materials and everything, this is that higher up trim level and everything is padded in leather. It all feels really nice. There's a ton of stitching throughout and everything, so it definitely does have that more premium feel to it and everything, and it's super nice. The biggest benefit to this is the towing capacity and the size of the SUV. And so since you have that high towing capacity, you have all that space in it and everything, you can fit all of your kids on it and everything, you can tow what you need to tow and everything. It's not the most affordable thing to get a big SUV to haul around all the kids and a truck, so it's nice that they still have SUVs like this that are both a truck and an SUV essentially. A little bit of traffic, so I'm just kind of gonna let a little bit of space get between us so we can just get a slight acceleration with this. But yeah, I mean, this SUV is absolutely fantastic, and I just want to see how quick that new 6.2 liter is compared to the 5.3, because it's got quite a bit more power, get up and everything. Oh yeah, I mean, it's plenty quick. You can definitely tell the difference between this and the 5.3 that they had. That engine's a great engine. You're gonna get better fuel economy numbers with that and everything, because that's gonna have the new 10-speed as well. But yeah, this is it's such a powerful engine, and it definitely fits this SUV very well. It's not overwhelmingly powerful. It's not like crazy performance or anything, but I mean, it's gonna help you tow more, and yeah, I mean, it's got plenty of power. I mean, you could get in a little bit of trouble with this, but yeah, it's a perfect engine for this SUV, I would say. To wrap things up overall impression wise, if you're in the market for a bigger sized SUV because you need to haul around more kids and everything, and you need more space, then I would definitely look into the Tahoe, and then the Suburban as well. And the one that you get will just depend on how much space you actually need. If you need more luggage space in the rear, go for the Suburban. If you don't really care for that, then get the Tahoe. Tahoes are a lot more popular. They actually sell quite a bit more compared to the Suburbans. I'm guessing it's just gonna come down to the proportions and everything. The looks of them and everything. The Suburbans are more stretched out variant and everything, and so I'm sure it just comes down to the looks of it and everything. But yeah, like I said, if you're in the market for bigger size SUV that can tow a ton, I would definitely check one of these out before you purchase something, because these, especially with the new engine, these are super sweet. And there we have it, everyone, the all-new 2018 Chevy Tahoe. Thank you everyone so much for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a like. If you're stopped in for the first time, please subscribe. Comment down below what you thought, and I will see all of you in that next video.